I joined the logistics team as a software developer analyst. Then here I got an immense experience working with the logistics applications and operations. So as part of the development team, I was involved in developing a modern in-house WMS management solution.
Hello, everyone, and welcome to FaceTime with Leaders, a podcast series by Directors Institute World Council of Directors. I am Tanayol, and today we have the pleasure of hosting a true leader in the IT and digital transformation space. With over 23 years of diverse experience spanning industries from logistics to retail, Fayaz Ahmed sir has been at the forefront of driving innovation and strategic IT solutions across multiple regions. Currently, as a digital product manager at Group IT GAC Holdings, he continues to lead groundbreaking projects that redefine digital transformation in the logistics sector. Thank you for joining us, sir, and welcome to FaceTime with Leaders. It's great to have you with us.
Thank you very much for giving me this opportunity. I'm really excited to be on the FaceTime with Leaders. Thank you.
Sir, as I explored your impressive career journey, a few milestones stood out, and I'm excited to explore them today. So, throughout your impressive career spanning over 2 decades, you've navigated through various IT roles from system development to digital product management and managed projects across diverse industries such as FMCG, pharmaceuticals, and fashion. It's clear you've built a remarkable journey with so many experiences. So, could you take us through this diverse career path? Like, what drove you to explore such varied sectors, and how do you think this blend of experiences has shaped your current expertise?
Yeah, sure. Thank you once again. So just to give you my career path, my career began in 1988 after I completed a Bachelor of Engineering degree from Bangalore University. Then I started as a software programmer at a KAPL, a government-owned pharmaceutical company. So that was a initial break for me. So this role provided me a very good experience because this was my first exposure to IT applications in real-world operations. Like I got to understand, including sourcing the raw materials, what is inventory management, how the distribution supply chains work, what are the documentations. Yeah, that was a good exposure. So my next role was with in 2000, year 2000, with Mecon India. It's another government-owned engineering consultancy group. It's a very large group. So back then, Mecon secured a significant infrastructure project in Karnataka for building 136 bridges across the state. It was a massive project. So they were looking for a software programmer with engineering background. So I was a good fit for that. I joined the team and I got a chance to work with very experienced engineering professionals. Uh, I was deeply involved in the project planning, using IT systems to achieve project objectives. As the project transitioned and successfully into the execution and delivery phase, I decided to explore new opportunities. Uh, in 2002, I moved to UAE, so exploring opportunities with engineering companies. But during this time, I had the privilege of joining GSE, one of the first foreign companies established in Dubai back in 1960. Since then, GSE has grown to become a market leader in shipping, logistics, and marine services. I joined the logistics team as a software developer analyst. Then here I got an immense experience working with the logistics applications and operations. So as part of the development team, I was involved in developing a modern in-house WMS management solution. Later, as my role as a development manager, I played a key role in the design, development, and implementation of WMS system and the WMS related suite of products across all the group companies. Here, my role allowed me to delve deeply into supply chain operations across industries like FMCG, pharmaceuticals, food, fashion, uh, several verticals. Later, I transitioned into a project manager role, leading cross-functional teams to deliver business-critical applications for a group of companies. Here, I tried on the challenges of team leadership, uh, stakeholder communication, ensuring projects were delivered on time, within scope, and with high quality. In year 2022, I took over the role of digital product manager. I led the digital transformation initiatives for our group. I was heading the migration of critical infrastructure to the cloud. So until then, all the infrastructure of group companies were used to be on-prem. So here, as per our digital transformation strategy, we were supposed to move them everything to the cloud. It was a big journey for us. So I also led the teams for introducing automation technologies in our warehouses, such as robotics, IoT, RFID, and also my focus on innovation and process improvements have led to the significant operational efficiencies and strengthened my ability to manage complex projects with multiple stakeholders. I also got a chance to work with global teams across regions such as in Middle East, Europe, USA, Asia. This provided me the cultural sensitivity and collaboration skills needed to excel in diverse environments. So, yeah, it gives me immense satisfaction as I have led and implemented several business critical projects for a group of companies. I was responsible for implementation of pharmaceutical serialization track and trace program in UAE and the Bahrain region. Also, I got an opportunity to work as a VAT integration in Middle East and UK, okay, with the government, customs, and etc. Cloud migration and several other key initiatives, which has enriched my global perspective and broadened my technical and regulatory expertise. Yeah. So the key motivations behind my career path, yeah, I'm very curious about the new technologies, solving business challenges, adding business value, and passion for technology and business, bridging the gap. I play a key role as a key stakeholder between the ITs and business. Yeah. So, yep, that's about my long career path.
So, you work closely with renowned brands like Reckitt, Benckiser, and L'Oreal, managing complex IT integration projects. When dealing
Yeah.
with such high profile brands, there's a lot on the line: precision, trust, and seamless execution. So, what would you say are the most critical elements that drive successful integration, and how do you ensure everything aligns smoothly with their business vision?
In my experience, the most critical elements that drive successful integration projects are first thing is understanding client business needs, then the effective communication and collaboration, the strategic alignment with the business goals, uh, very good project management, I say robust project management, and the adoption of best practices. Of course, there are more, but these are the five critical elements. So, getting into details, so understanding business needs. So, you must develop a deep understanding of the client's business requirements, the challenges, the long-term goals is very essential. And then engaging stakeholders early ensures integrations aligns with their processes and strategies. The next thing is effective communication. Transparent and ongoing communication, yeah, of course, fosters alignment and trust among internal and external teams. Regular check-ins help address challenges promptly, ensuring smooth project progression. It was as shown in my integration with the clients like Reckitt Benckiser and GlaxoSmithKline. Yeah. Then the strategic alignment, like integration should not go beyond a technical connection. It's just not a technical connection, okay, but to deliver a long-term business value solutions that align with the strategic goals, yeah, such as efficiency, scalability, uh, demonstrated in projects like we were implementing a WMS system to all 3PL companies. The robust project management, successful integration requires a strong project management capabilities so that to ensure the process runs smoothly, This includes like defining clear milestones, setting realistic timelines, managing resources effectively, and addressing risks early on. In our organization, we use like the frameworks like Agile Scrum, Prince 2, to manage integration projects. We utilize these frameworks ensures structured and flexible management of timelines, resources, and the risks. Proactive risk mitigation, such as during our cloud migration projects, minimizes the disruptions and ensures the success of the project. Then comes adopting the best practices. So continuous improvement, flexibility, post-integration support, such as the training and documentation, ensure a sustained value. For example, the post-implementation reviews that are Reckitt Benckiser enhanced system adoption and efficiency. So in conclusion, by focusing on these elements, integration projects can seamlessly align with the client objectives, driving both immediate success and long-term value.
Yeah, I think as one, when they look at long-term goals, not just one, the only problem they're solving, but at all the other things, I think it really helps to holistically satisfy the client. Digital transformation goes beyond implementing new technologies. It's about bringing people together and driving a shared vision. So, how do you bridge the gap between IT teams and business stakeholders, ensuring that everyone is aligned and moving in the same direction during these transformation projects?
Yeah, good question. So, the bridging the gap between IT teams and business stakeholders during the digital transformation projects requires a strategic focus on the communication, collaboration, and shared ownership of goals. So, successful transformation goes beyond technology. It's just not technology, but it is about uniting people under a shared vision, driving the business value. So the strategies for successful alignment in digital transformation, some of them are like establishing a shared vision. This is the first step, is aligning IT and the business teams around a common business-driven vision. So this ensures the technical solutions as enablers of strategic business objectives. For example, in our WMS implementation at one of our group companies, we had a joint workshops between IT operations teams that helped us align technical goals with the warehouse and efficient operations. Then comes regular communication and the frequent meetings ensure ongoing alignment by providing a forum to review progress, address concerns, resolve potential roadblocks. Yeah. Then setting clear goals and success metrics, KPIs. So defining a measurable goals at the project outset ensures both teams understand how technical deliverables contribute to business success. Regular reviews of these metrics help maintain focus. Then comes creating a cross-functional teams. This is important, like including the representatives from IT and the business in cross-functional teams. It fosters collaboration and mutual understanding, shared accountability, responsibility. It strengthens the commitment to the project success. Then comes fostering shared ownership, accountability, cultivating a sense of a responsibility across all the stakeholders, from leadership contributors to break down to the silos and ensures alignment during the challenges. Then comes the continuous feedback and iterative improvements. Feedback loops throughout the project life cycle allows for a real-time adjustment and prevent small issues from escalating big. For example, frequent UAT sessions, during WMS development ensure the system met operational needs efficiently. Then comes the communication for stakeholders. The tailored, customized communication, strategic insights for business leaders, and detailed updates to for IT teams ensures the relevant information is delivered without overwhelming the stakeholders. So, in conclusion, bridging the IT business gap in digital transformation requires a multifaceted approach, emphasizing communication, collaboration, and alignment with business goals by uniting stakeholders under a shared vision, fostering the accountability, maintaining open feedback channels. Yeah. I have consistently delivered the successful transformation projects that drive a significant business value. Thanks.
I think very well said, sir, that if there is such a big change that is going to happen, teamwork and collaboration is probably number one so that everyone's aligned on the same page. Sir, in managing large scale IT projects across diverse industries, there's a constant need to balance strategic vision with day to day execution. Corporate governance principles into your approach, especially when it comes to ensuring transparency, accountability, and effective collaboration amongst such various stakeholders.
Yeah, I mean, the role of corporate governance in managing the large scale IT projects, is very essential. Okay? As it fosters transparency, accountability, collaboration, and effective risk management. Also, good governance ensures alignment between strategic goals and the daily execution, creating a foundation for project success. So, some of the key corporate governance principles for IT project management are like transparency through clear communication is critical for keeping all stakeholders informed and aligned. Regular updates, documented progress, centralized dashboards ensure the clarity. For instance, in one of the major cloud migration projects at GAC Dubai, steering committee meetings and real-time data sharing enable the stakeholders to address the challenges collaboratively, maintaining project momentum. Uh, Accountability with defined roles and frameworks, like the clear governance frameworks, establish roles, responsibilities, and decision-making structures. So ensuring accountability. Uh, Collaboration among the diverse stakeholders, like bringing together cross-functional teams, ensures cohesive efforts towards shared goals. Workshops and joint decision-making sessions foster mutual respect and understanding. Yeah. Proactive risk management. The risk management frameworks identify, categorize, and mitigate risk throughout the project lifecycle. So, in a cloud migration project, like risk matrices and regular governance committee reviews guided strategic decisions. Similarly, early testing during an automated warehousing technology project mitigated the integration risks with the legacy systems, so avoiding any delays and cost overrun. Stakeholder engagement and decision making, uh, inclusive decision making leverages the diverse expertise and ensures the buy-in from everyone. So during an ERP upgrade, like collaboration among the IT teams, the finance, the operations stakeholders, helped design a system that met all departmental needs, reducing resistance and ensuring success. So, in conclusion, uh, incorporating corporate governance principles ensures alignment between strategic vision and execution in large scale IT projects. So, by prioritizing transparency, accountability, collaboration, and risk management, I have consistently delivered successful outcomes.
So, looking ahead, if there's one more milestone you're eager to achieve in your career, what would it be, and why does reaching that particular goal matter so much to you?
Yeah, it's a difficult question. Yeah, looking ahead, the milestone I'm most eager to achieve is securing a leadership position, like a digital director or independent director, where I can drive innovation and digital transformation at a strategic level. So this aspiration stems from a deep-seated passion for leveraging technology to create a positive change and enhance business value, a passion that has been fueled throughout my career journey. So my journey, as you've seen, has been one of the continuous learning and growth, from starting as a programmer to leading complex IT projects. and digital transformation. I have consistently sought opportunities to expand my knowledge, contribute to organizational success. This desire to make broader impact is what fuels my ambition to step into the leadership role. So, reaching this goal matters deeply to me.
So, as you look to the future, do you see yourself stepping into the boardroom, bringing your expertise in digital transformation and IT strategy to a leadership role at the highest level? I mean, what drives this aspiration and how do you envision making a difference at the board level?
I envision myself stepping into a boardroom as a digital director or independent director. So, driven by a passion for shaping the future of organizations, fostering innovation, and contributing at the highest strategic level. My career journey has been a deliberate progression towards this goal, uh, equipping me with technical expertise, business insight, and leadership capabilities essential for the board level contributions. So, key contributions I can bring to the boardroom, like a strategic vision. I excel at aligning IT strategy with the broader business objectives, leading initiatives such as digital transformation, the cloud migrations, and enterprise system implementations. Has honed my ability to identify how technology drives the business growth and innovation. Digital expertise, with a deep understanding of emerging technologies like AI, IoT, robotics, cybersecurity, and data privacy. I offer critical insights for navigating today's dynamic digital landscape. This expertise is crucial for the organizations to stay competitive and adopt evolving technologies. Risk management, my extensive experience in mitigating risk associated with complex IT projects ensures that I can guide boards in assessing and managing the risks tied to the digital transformation, cybersecurity, safeguarding, organizational resilience. Governance and compliance, I bring a strong corporate governance knowledge and commitment to regulatory compliance, ensuring digital initiatives align with ethical, legal, and industry standards. Uh, Diversity of thought, having worked across industries and cultures, I provide a broad perspective that fosters innovative problem solving and adaptability qualities critical for tackling complex organizational challenges. So, motivation and vision, my aspiration stems from a desire to make a meaningful impact by driving a strategic decision that embrace innovation, deliver value, and shape the organization's future. I'm committed to contributing to a team that leads with a purpose and creates lasting success. So, my expertise in technology and passion for a strategic leadership position me to add a significant value at the board level.
Sir, you've been a part of Directors Institute. Can you share how your experience with the Institute has shaped your understanding of corporate governance and what skills or insights you've gained that have been most valuable in your career?
I think the Directors Institute provides a very comprehensive platform for understanding corporate governance and equips participants like me with critical skills for excelling in board level roles. So, some of below are my key insights. I'll give some key insights into what the institute offers, the potential value for the participants, such as like understanding corporate governance. So, the Directors Institute, I think it emphasizes the importance of a responsible and effective corporate governance as a cornerstone for organizational success. So, I think the institute provides training on the board effectiveness, ESG, like incorporating sustainability and ethical practices into board level strategies, the global corporate governance standards, like preparing the directors to operate effectively in multinational environments by understanding global regulatory and cultural nuances. Skills and insights that can be gained, yeah, strategic oversight, so learning how to shape long-term organizational strategies as part of leadership team, ethical leadership, focusing on integrity, transparency, and accountability to build trust within and outside the organization. The technological proficiency, mastering the integration of the digital transformation and cybersecurity considerations into the governance framework through a specialized programs like the Digital Directors Program and the global competency, like adapting to the demands of international boardrooms via programs like the ICDP, International Corporate Directors Program. So what I see is the graduates of this institute can make a meaningful impact by strengthening organizational governance and compliance frameworks, providing informed perspectives on emerging technologies, market dynamics, and ESG integration. Yeah, acting as agents of a change, guiding companies toward a sustainable and innovative futures. So, yeah, so the institute is rounded curriculum and global affiliations position participants to thrive in leadership roles.
So your candid insights are truly appreciated, and thank you so much for taking time out for us today to share your journey and experiences. We at Directors Institute wish you continued success in your career, especially in your endeavors to drive digital transformation and innovation. Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you. Thanks for having me.
That brings us to the end of today's episode. We look forward to bringing you more inspiring stories and valuable insights from leaders across various industries in our upcoming episodes. Until next time, stay curious, keep innovating, and continue making a positive impact. And have fun in your journey. Thank you.